Let's start today's lesson. For that I'm going to draw alphabet T, one this direction upside down. If you are having hard time to draw this one, you can turn your paper and do two alphabet T same size. Let me make my lines little bit dark so my camera can catch, but try to draw light. Now here I'm going to draw basic shapes like a rectangle. So these two same size. Do not just draw one time. Try to draw one line at a time. Now I'm comparing all four of them same size. If they are not, this is the time we have to fix all of them. Now from here, I'm going to draw one big rectangle shape. So both of them same size. Now we are going to curve them. So how to do that? You can pick any point from here. Same point here. You can just go and make it arch. Now from here, this is the middle point for this line. This is the middle point for this line here. Now from here to here, this will be slightly curvy, going up like a sad face. Same thing I will do here. This point to this point, this will be also curvy, slightly, super skinny. The bottom is going to be the smiley one, but super skinny. Side is also going to be curvy. So this is a straight line. This one is also a straight line, but this one is curvy. So we will pick 2 points here and we will curve them like this and this. This one is this side. So we will pick 2 points here, and according to that we will curve these two. Same thing, we will pick 2 points here, here and here. So this one is this direction. So we will curve this direction. So for the fingers, if you don't want fingers, you can leave like this. If you want fingers, we are going to draw the fingers. So this one is really straight. Instead of straight, I will curve slightly here. Same thing I will do here. Now from here to here, we will pick 1 point and pull the line. Same thing I will do with this side. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Same thing, I will divide this part in 2 pieces like 1 and 2. Same thing I will try to draw here. And now here we are going to draw kind of like a curve this side and curve this side, like alphabet V or Y, you can say, for all of them one by one, and then erase the guideline. So right now this one looks little bit long, so the pinky one I will make it little bit short. This one is the first one, and then alphabet V, and the pinky one I will make it little bit small. Now we will erase this line, and these lines are going to be a little bit more longer